Ever wondered how to remove stubborn dye stains from your bathtub? Well, it's time to roll up your sleeves and dive into a practical solution that can give your tub a fresh, clean look. First things first, act swiftly. The sooner you tackle dye stains, the easier they are to remove. So don't let those stains settle in, get right to it. Now gather your supplies. You'll need some household staples: white vinegar, baking soda, a soft cloth or sponge, a non-abrasive cleaner. Dish soap will do, and of course some water. Before we get to the actual cleaning, remember to test your cleaning solution on a hidden part of the bathtub. This helps ensure that your bathtub surface will remain unharmed by the cleaning process. Next, mix up a simple yet effective cleaning paste. Combine equal parts white vinegar and baking soda. This concoction should look like a thick, spreadable paste. With your soft cloth or sponge, generously apply this vinegar and baking soda paste onto the dye-stained areas. Make sure every bit of the stain is thoroughly covered. Patience is key here. Let the paste sit on the stains for at least 30 minutes. This waiting period allows the paste to loosen and lift the dye from the surface. Now it's time to put in a bit of elbow grease. Gently scrub the stained areas in circular motions using your soft cloth or sponge. Be mindful to apply just enough pressure to scrub away the stain, but not so much that you risk damaging the surface. Once done, rinse the bathtub with water to remove the paste and any loosened dye. A complete rinse ensures no residue is left behind. If some stains are holding on, don't fret. Use a non-abrasive cleaner, like dish soap or a mild bathroom cleaner. Apply a small amount to the stubborn stains and gently scrub. Remember to rinse thoroughly afterward. For those particularly stubborn stains, you might need to repeat the process a few times or even try alternative methods or specialized stain removers designed for bathtubs. Remember, the best defense is a good offense. Taking steps to prevent dye from coming into contact with your bathtub in the first place, such as using a protective mat or cleaning immediately after dye-related activities, can save you a lot of scrubbing in the future. So there you have it. A practical step-by-step guide to removing dye stains from your bathtub. It might take a bit of time and a bit of effort, but with these steps, your bathtub can look as good as new.